guys, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my Country Charm by Tracy channel. I am so glad that you stopped in today to see what I got from Hobby Lobby. Recently, I am on a mission to find some cute things for my home to decorate my home with for spring and Easter. And so I always love to shop at Hobby Lobby to get the best deals and the cutest things. I'm not sponsored by Hobby Lobby. I just love it so much. It's like one of my favorite stores. Anyway, so I'm so glad that you are here. If you're returning, thank you so much. If you're new, please consider subscribing. I do share crafty ideas with a bit of country charm. I also share crafty hauls like this, home decor, craft supplies, that kind of thing. And I learned so much from so many other people. And so I love to give back to my YouTube channel, my YouTube community, by sharing some of the fabulous things that I can find as well. So let's go ahead and get started, and I will show you what I picked up this round at Hobby Lobby. Okay, first up are these adorable little gingham stuffed rabbits or bunnies. They each have little bow ties on them. They have green, yellow, and pink. They were originally $5.99, which is actually a really good deal, but I got 40% off of these. Last trip, I was looking for these, and that Hobby Lobby did not have any of these, so I was so happy to find some of these little gingham bunnies. Next up, I am on a mission to get some things for my 3-tiered tray and to also decorate some baskets and some different trays that I have planned for this spring season. So this was the first year that I saw these little candles. They're really nothing fancy, but yet they are just really cute to me. They almost look fragile. They look really real. Anyway, so they're just little yarn wrapped around these little styrofoam things, and I don't know, these cute little whiskey things here at the bottom, they kind of look realistic to me. And then this greenery is really cute. This was regularly $5.99, so 40% off of these little carrots. And then I picked up 2 bags of these little gingham checkered orange and white carrots. They're just so adorable. I can just see me filling a basket or including them in my 3-tier tray, just tucking them in here and there. They're just going to look so adorable in my Easter and spring decor. Another thing that I picked up to use for decoration, or maybe in my home decor or in my little trays or my 3-tiered tray, are these 2 set of bird's nests. It has little bird's nests, and then it has some little robin eggs in there. Regularly $5.99, and so you get 40% off of that. So I thought this was a really good deal for 2 nests for $5.99. Of course, then I got 40% off. And then another thing is I picked up another one of these signs. It's really thick, you know, kind of wood. It was regularly $7.99. I love this. This one says Happy Easter. There was another one they had that said He is risen, and then a couple of other ones. I know that I've bought a few of these the last couple of trips, but I really like these, and they're going to look really good in either a basket tray or on my 3-tiered tray. It just depends. I don't know. It may be a little bit tall, but anyway, that is what I'm going to do, is use this in my Easter and spring decor. All right, I picked up this greenery garland. Hobby Lobby had their garland swags and all that stuff 50% off this particular trip. So I picked this. This is like a eucalyptus garland, and I think I'm going to use it in tray or decorate my home for spring. I don't have one that looks like this. It's kind of 2 tones. It has some yellow and then the greenery. It almost looks frosted to me, but it's not. And it was regularly $19.99, so that would mean it would be, you know, $10 with the 50% off. And so this one is really cute because you can, or just really versatile because you can just pull the stems off, or you can use it as a swag or something like that. Then I eyed these when they first came out, and I didn't get it because I couldn't really justify spending that much for these, but they are so cute and adorable. And since I really want to add more bunnies to my Easter and spring decor, I decided to go ahead and get them. This is the big one, and then this one is kind of his little partner, he's kind of sitting like that. Anyway, this large one was 40% off, $27.99. So I think I'm going to give him a better little bow. And then this one as well. This one was $17.99. So 40% off of that, these cute little bunnies. Then I picked up a couple of the small ones. This one is just so cute. And then this one looks like he is laying down about ready to pounce on someone or something. Anyway, this one's standing up. This one's laying down. This one was regularly $5.99. I got 40% off of that. This one also was regularly $5.99. And so I got 40% off of that for these cute little miniature little ones. I plan to put them in my 3-tier tray, or you know what, just add them as decoration into my little spring or Easter decor. Now, this surprises me that I was drawn to these little grass looking bunnies. I don't know, maybe they have a name, but they are just really cute. This one kind of sits like this, and this one, it looks like he's getting ready to pounce on something, or you know, maybe some dinner or something like that. Anyway, so this little one right here was regularly $7.99. I got 40% off of that. And then this one as well, $7.99, and then I got 40% off of that. I just think that these are just really, really, really adorable. I picked up this little package of 2 little grassy rabbits. They were, this package was $4.99, so I got 40% off of that. And they come on these little sticks or on a skewer. You can stick them into wreaths or in different arrangements. I don't know. I may pop them off of the little sticks and include them in my 3-tier tray, or my, you know, table decorations or something like that. I may not leave them on the little sticks. Anyway, but that was my thought to do with those little grassy bunnies. Isn't she adorable? I'm going to say it's a girl because she has these little pink flowers around her little neck. I saw this after I picked up the little lantern thing that I from the Goodwill. And I thought that she would look really, really cute sitting in that little lantern that I picked up from the Goodwill. So anyway, I hope to get some of that done, decorate my home for spring and Easter very, very soon. Anyway, but she was regularly $11.99, and so I got 40% off of that. But I think that she is just so stinking adorable.